I love to race and ride so much, I think, because I grew up doing it. You know, I love it. It's not just like regular things. I'm competitive. I always have been, so racing is, you know, fills it for me. It keeps me happy. This year I'm starting the season with, you know, #1 again, and it's really good to see that. I mean, my favorite number is 67, but it's really nice to see it won, and I think, you know, mentally that really helps me out. It helps me be more confident. You know, I won last year, and hopefully I'm just defending my title again this year, so it feels pretty good. Yes, I'm looking forward to 2012. Hangtown's coming up really soon. You know, I got a new trainer. I'm working with Tim Ferry here in Florida. He's awesome. You know, he's helped me so much. We ride together, you know, we push each other. You know, he's just really fun to work with and ride with. I feel really good. I feel like I'm in shape. I think I'm ready. We're just going to see what happens in Hangtown. We haven't raced for a long time, but I'm just going to go out there and have fun and have a good time.